All right, ladies and gents, it's a 2012 Dodge Charger with a 3.6 liter, aka the squad car, the police patrol vehicle. There's a ton of videos on doing the upper intake manifold. Real simple. You got a couple 8mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. You got an 8mm here, 8mm here to disconnect this guy. Here's your air duct. You got a 10mm here, 10mm right here on this bracket, which is this bracket and this bracket. On the side back here, you're gonna have two 10s, one right here, and then there's a 13 going in, 13mm on the back of it to get this bracket off right here. So you got 110, 110, and then your 13 is right there. That's a deep socket. Bunch of electrical connectors right here. You want to take off this tube. I left this one connected on the back because I'm just gonna flip it over like that. There's your upper intake gasket. For the lower intake, you just got some 8mm right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 4 of them on each side. Just disconnect your fuel injectors. Fuel rail, to disconnect, you just squeeze the tabs on the side and pull off your fuel line right here. All right, this thing will come out. All right. That's your lower intake gasket right there. All right, now this right here is your oil cooler. So as you can see down in there's a bunch of oil, bunch of water. There's E8 bolts. There's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then disconnect your 2 electrical connectors back here for the oil cooler sensor. That's your oil filter housing right there. As you can see, they're an avid user, believer in radiator stop leak. And then, so as you see, there's a, now you'll be able to tell there's going to be water pouring out from the back here. So if you can't find any tubes or holes, any coolant lines leaking, and you see water coming out the back of the engine from this middle right here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5 gaskets right here on the bottom of this oil cooler housing assembly. They sell the gasket set for like $15 at the parts store, and there's oil. The oil's gonna, you might want to drain the oil when you say the oil's gonna come out of this hole right here, but the rest of them are coolant hole. These are ports right here to the coolant system. So you might want to drain some oil and drain some coolant. I have to clean up this mess right here, and we'll get that gasket set and put it back on. So if you got a leak from the middle of the engine, and it's water or oil, possibly, could be oil cooler housing gasket. That's probably what it is right there, but that's what it is for this car. Thanks for watching. I'm just doing this video because I didn't see anybody do a lower intake manifold gasket or oil cooler. So this is the only problem that I didn't see on YouTube. That's why I made the video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.